Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in daily du'as, we're going to be looking at the du'a for breaking the fast. In this du'a, we say ذهب الظمأ وابتلت العروق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله. The thirst has gone, وابتلت العروق, and the veins are moist, وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله, and the reward is assured if Allah wills. So we're recognizing first of all that after a whole day of fasting, we're now in a position where we're able to eat and drink by the mercy and permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we're recognizing His blessings, His bountiful favors upon us. And so ذهب الظمأ, we say the thirst has gone, we are able to drink, whereas before we weren't. وابتلت العروق, and the veins are moist. We have that energy and that strength that we maybe were missing while we were fasting, that physical strength. وَثَبَتَ الْأَجْرُ إِنْ شَاءَ اللَّهِ, and we recognize that sacrifice that we made of staying away from food and drink wasn't for nothing, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward us. وَثَبَتَ الْأَجْرُ, and the reward is assured as a result of the acts of worship that we've done. So we're hopeful that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has rewarded us for our efforts of fasting on that day, for that specific day. Then we say وَثَبَتَ الْأَجْرُ إِنْ شَاءَ اللَّهِ, if Allah wills. Meaning, it's only by Allah's permission that He rewards us for any acts of worship that we do. And so everything goes back to Allah. Our acts of worship, the efforts that we make, our ability to worship Allah, and most importantly, or especially in this case, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy to be able to accept our good deeds and for us to be assured of those deeds to be accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jazakumullah khair for listening. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.